Subscribers asked about you. They still want to know about Thai Noodle. They say,
I'm here.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm here.
She here, exactly. She ain't going nowhere.
Richie Mac, Travel OG. Let's get it.
With your broke ass.
I just wanna zoom out to Thailand. Once my flight land, then I turn it into my land. I'm a Thai fan. Richie Mac, I'm arriving. Once I hit Pattaya, got bands, I'ma dive in. On the golf course, I'ma use my 9-9. She love chocolate, watch her walk it, cause she fine. She 5'1", in them heels like she 5'9". Hit subscribe, going live, 9999. Richie Mac, overseas, that's that travel OG. Pay a visit when you can. Wanna zoom to Thailand.
Noodle, what happened with your golf lesson? You say what now?
Thai people say now we call, you know, Thai people say me. Why we go see, you know. You can move little bit for like that. You can move little bit. I listen. You know.
But the foreign men try to tell you the golf lesson. What they do, Noodle? They start yelling.
Falang man say, no, you don't make like that. No, I don't like. You know, I not want people teach me same him. You know. Me for me, him for him, not same.
Right.
You know.
Right.
Not same.
The Thai man teach you better because you know how to talk that Thai talk.
Yeah, the Thai man only teach, you know. Him this here, me here. That him say how long me pay, me say no, maybe 1 month, 2 months, him no. You know, me start, him say little bit, you know, not too long. But I think I'm good, you know. Good for me.
Subscriber right in and asked me, he said, how come you don't play golf with Noodle? He said, how come you don't play golf with the Thai Noodle?
Maybe not now.
Huh? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. When me and Noodle play, we play on a different course. Like when I do my caddy of the day, like that's a big course. She's not good enough to play that course yet.
I not one big court now.
Yeah,
I
no.
not one caddy now. Because I'm not high. I'm little bit, you know.
Right.
I'm not caddy.
Right.
I'm not one now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we go to the other course. We go to the Navy course. And
Yeah, I'm like big court. I'm not one caddy, you know. That you know, you don't have caddy. That you don't look way.
I know, yeah, you gotta find your own ball. Yeah, you gotta find your own ball.
Yeah, sometimes you cannot see.
Let me see your hair. You did something nice with your hair. You curled it up today. Put it over your shoulder. Let me see. Let me see. Look at Noodle. Noodle did the little. Is this all natural, Noodle? You better be natural. Is this original, Noodle?
Yeah, you know.
You sure?
Sometimes I want to change.
Oh. Yeah, one time, Noodle. Remember you did it like a black girl? You curled it all up. You had it like super curl.
Yeah, you change hair. Some face you can change, you know.
Okay.
Everything change, you know.
Everything.
Face, hair, look change.
Everything changed. Subscribers asked about you. They still want to know about Thai Noodle. They say,
I'm here.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm here.
Be here, exactly. She ain't going nowhere, I don't think.
Sometimes I'm shy. I don't know what to talk, you know.
Yeah, she does be shy. Like when we do like the live episodes, Noodle, I want Noodle to come say hi sometime. Noodle be like,
I
that
say
shit.
no.
Yeah, she say no. She don't care if it's Michael Jai White or whoever it is. She don't know the difference, but sometimes I get her to come say hello.
I don't know to talk.
You know who Tony Jai is, though. You know who he is.
Yeah, him Thai, I know.
What's his name? Y'all don't call him Tony Jai. What do you guys call him?
Thai people call Japanum.
Japanum? Japanum.
Japanum.
Japanum. And what's the name of that movie that he did, the one you showed me? Umba, that's right. Umba.
Good movie, people like, you know.
It was a good movie, but he was singing at Michael's wedding. What do you think about his singing? Is he a good singer?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Let's look with the political answer. I don't know, huh? What about you, Noodle? You gonna sing to the Thai people?
No.
Why?
Me die.
You sing when I'm around. Why you can't sing to the Thai people?
Me die.
Me die. Even a dog barking, huh? I don't know.
Ting tong same you, dog you.
Yeah, ting tong. What about your friend in Bangkok? Is she still single? My friends always, people and the subscribers always want to know if you have a sister. You know, what's your friend in Bangkok? What's her name?
Lek.
Her name's not Lek.
People some from
She Numya Tuyai.
Sarah.
Numya, we talking about Numya Tuyai, right? Oh, can I say that? Okay, that's a bad word. But she's single, right? Ain't your friend single?
No,
She not single?
Oh yes, she's single.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Single.
Yeah. Because they keep asking, you got a sister? Do you have a sister, Noodle? People ask me this all the time.
No, I don't have.
You don't have a sister? She got a brother, y'all. Y'all into
Yeah. You want?
Yeah. Nah, he ain't into that, man. Your brother not into that. Don't do that, Noodle. Your brother like women. He got a son. He's a whole, you know, hey.
Family, me only lady, me and mom only lady. Another no man.
Everybody else, huh?
Man, yeah, only two.
I got the only one, huh, Noodle? The only one. My goodness. All right, man. So, it's a day in the life of Noodle, man. She just, this is what she not wake up, but this is how she just walking around the house. She not going nowhere or nothing. She just, I was working, and she walked up to me looking like this, looking beautiful like this, man. I had to lay down and stop work. I just get down and take a look. Let me see, stand up, Noodle. Let me see my Thai Noodle. Look at that. That's every day. That's the normal get down. You can't see the big old leg, though.
Cannot see.
You can't see the big old leg.
Cannot see.
Oh, you cannot see the big old leg.
Cannot see.
We get to 100,000 subscribers, Noodle. You're going to get your own channel. We're going to give you a channel. I know you shy, but, you know, we can do it. Maybe we have you cooking or something like that. You know what I mean? Show you how to cook. I just show a day in the life of Noodle with your girlfriends. You and Pom Pam and May, maybe. We show them. American men, they don't want to see man all the time. They like to see the Thai lady, beautiful Suai.
I can teach you cook Thai food really easy.
There you go.
Some food easy.
There you go.
Or cook.
Yeah. I don't want Ace Live to get mad at me. Ace Live, he started the cooking thing. But it's different from mine, Ace Live, because my girl going to be cooking for me. Yeah, dig. Noodle, tell him, yeah, dig.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, yeah, man. So, I'm going to get back to work on this episode. Thailand versus LA. That's what we're doing, y'all. Thailand versus LA. We're gonna compare. We're gonna do a comparison. Now we know it ain't fair to compare LA to Thailand, but the way I'm gonna do it, we can definitely compare, man. We're gonna compare everything from cost of living to stress to traffic, smog, people, everything. We're gonna go in. And Noodle, you ain't made me no grits in a while. You know, everybody talk about the grits. You got some grits for your boy? You got some grits for me?
You want?
I gotta go back to work. So, say hi to everybody in America. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. What should they call you? They can't call you Thai Noodle. They gotta call you L, huh? They do. They respectful in the comment section. They call you L. They be asking like, where's L at? We see Caddy of the day. We see everybody else. Hey, Noodle, your hair look kind of crazy up here at the top. Yeah, you better hit that up. Stand up and flip it around like I like it. Stand up and flip it around. Just making sure that's real, man. That ain't no Memorex. Is that the crop? Okay, I'm just making sure. That's all.
No air condition.
Yeah. Noodle, say, theme music.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.